Day one of the van build. We are removing the paneling and the floor. Right, Kenny?
That's right.
We've never done this before, so we don't really know what we're doing yet. I don't know what that's like.
Side one coming up.
Yay.
That only the screw straight with this. You have the screw straight with this.
Hold on, I lost it.
Alright, so what did we do today, Ken?
Got out the subfloor today. We vacuumed it all out, cleaned it all out. The subfloor was super hard to get out. Not only was it screwed, but it was glued down in here. So we had to pry it out.
With our feet getting stuck?
With our feet getting stuck, but now it's all clean, scrubbed it. Tomorrow we're gonna put some de-rust spray on it and get going on the floor.
Alright, what'd we do?
So we sprayed the de-ruster spray down, and then we just put a clear coat on it to seal it all in. Now just letting it dry.